Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Preeti, and in this video I'll be talking about the products that I got for my training, as I got my joining date and I'm so happy for it. So happy for it. I ordered few things for my training and I'll be sharing these all things with you. I have no idea if it will be long video or short video, I have no idea, but I want to share it with you all, so let's go and talk about it. Firstly, I'll be sharing with you all. It is from Meesho. These all are brushes, makeup brushes. I got it in a pouch because I'm someone who really hates makeup, and there is no chance. Like, there is nothing that you can just apply your blush and your mascara and you're good to go. That's it. No, you just can't. You just can't skip makeup here. So yes, I got brushes for the first time, and wow. The quality that I got from Meesho was amazing, and if I'm saying amazing, it is literally amazing. And yeah, these all are the brushes that I got. Size is pretty small, as you can see, but it's my first time and I wanted to start with affordable one. And yes, I literally recommend you all to purchase this because yes, it is really good, and I have tried my makeup as well with these all brushes and it was pretty good, really. I will link all the products somewhere here and there, so yes, you can check it out. So yes, these all are the brushes. We got 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lighting, please. Hello. So yes, we got around 8 brushes, 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 brushes, eye makeup brushes. Yeah, and then 5 big brushes. So yeah, it's a good pretty deal. I got it around 70 or 80 something. So yeah, it was good deal. Next, I got this sunscreen, Foxtail sunscreen. Anyway, I'll attach the image. So yes, I got this Foxtail sunscreen. I recently bought Minimal's sunscreen and that was off for me. Literally, it was not my thing. Like, it didn't suit me, basically. So yeah, I again ordered this and it is pretty much okayish for me. This happens with me every time. Whenever I try to record something, I got a pop-up as your storage is full and I just cannot record. But anyways, so this is new sunscreen and I'm trying it. It is affordable, as well as everyone gave good ratings as well. I did a lot of research and it was a good one. I'm trying it. So yes, I came on Snapchat. I have no idea what will be the quality of this Snapchat's camera, but forget. So yes, I'm using it. I'll be giving this sunscreen 3.5 or 4, not more than that, for sure. So yes, next thing that I got is this diary. I got it on Raksha Bandhan as a gift, but yes, I got it. I'll be taking it with me, right? So I'm showing it to you all. I'm just kidding. I was just so happy and I wanted to show it to you all, and this is the only reason I'm showing it. No reasons apart from this. So yeah, next I have, where is my, yeah, these all are the stockings. I'll be giving the pictures and link here and there. These are the stockings that I got from Meesho. The quality is 5 out of 5. Believe me on it, believe me. The size was free, however when I tried it, it was a little bit tight for me. I have no idea why. I think so it will take time to adjust or something like that, but I really liked it. The fabric, the quality was literally 5 out of 5. Next, I got this makeup fixer. It is Swiss Beauty's makeup fixer, because now I have to use makeup, so I'm just kidding. What, I have to use makeup. So yeah, this is Swiss Beauty's makeup fixer. This was affordable. This was something that I wanted to purchase. And lastly, I purchased an eyeliner as well, and that is not delivered yet, so I won't be sharing any review of it, but I'll be definitely giving you all the links. So that's it for this video. Take care of yourself, keep spreading love, smile as much as you can, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.